Diamond star Maricel Soriano explained why she now has difficulty walking, as seen in viral videos taken during her 60th birthday celebration. Marichel's actual birthday was on February 25. However, the star-studded party just happened recently. The biggest names in the industry were there to join the celebration. Respect and love were shown for her as she entered the venue of the party. However, it can be noticed in videos posted online that Maricel was being guided by two people when she was walking. Her video showing that she could not walk normally worried her fans, and even speculations were expressed by her bashers. In a recent video that Maricel Soriano shared on her YouTube channel, she explained the reason behind the fact that she needed assistance while walking. Yung spine ko, may arthritis, hanggang leeg ko. Tapos, yung first, na-experience ko ito, in-injectionan ako sa likod, she shared, adding that the pain did not easily subsided. So her medical provider injected steroids in her spine, but it took too long before the effect could be felt. Kaya iika-ika akong maglakad, the veteran actress explained. Maricel also mentioned that her feet were small and she felt numbness. She described it as if needles were piercing her. On top of it, may pinched nerve ako, Maricel added. The actress also shared that her disease is hereditary. No matter what she does, it will occur to her, but she stresses that this can be treated. She was told to have an operation to end the pain. Maricel said that she is getting there, but they are still exploring other options aside from surgery. Syempre, nakatikim na ako ng cesarean, di ba? An operation is not a joke, di ba? That's why ako, parang gusto ko rin, ma-introduce din ako dun sa ibang anggulo para gumaling ako. Saka kaya ko ito, Maricel Soriano said. In the comment section of her YouTube video, the Diamond star received support from her fans. They wished for her recovery and that she would be healthy once again.